Hello everyone, welcome back to WebToTech channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on voice to text on iPhone. So now without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, launch settings on your iPhone. Now once you are here, scroll down below and tap on the option of General right here. Now with that, you scroll down below again and you'll see the option of Keyboard. So tap on that option. With that, you'll come across this page. Now scroll down below and under Dictation, you can see the option of Enable Dictation, and the toggle for that option is turned off. Now simply turn on that toggle. Here we go. Now you can read these instructions before you tap on Enable Dictation. After you read this, just tap on Enable Dictation. Now let's go back again to check whether voice to text is working or not. Now just open iMessages on your iPhone. Now open any conversation you wish to. Now just go to the empty text message box at the bottom of your screen. With that, your keyboard will pop up. Now just at the bottom right corner of your keyboard, you can see a microphone option. Tap on it. Now you have to speak on that microphone and your voice will be converted to text. So that's how voice to text works on iPhone. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe our channel.